Okay, so we have, according to this article, the top 5 best performing cryptocurrencies by return in 2022. Let's break this down right now. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain's here, and thank you for watching this video today. Clear Crypto YouTube channel, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, the cryptocurrency market has suffered several significant setbacks in 2022, but some of the assets have performed better than others, particularly in terms of returns per month, okay? So, a new yearly report has revealed. Now, the top 5 best performing assets in 2022 was a little surprising when I did this research. I did not realize that Tron, Monero, Binance Coin, BNB, is a strong cryptocurrency. Ethereum Classic, and then, of course, Dogecoin. Now, I thought Shiba would be on here, but then I went back, I done some research, and Shiba was in the top 5, but they wasn't too far off, but they wasn't in the top 5. As per the new State of Network report by blockchain analytics platform, the CoinMetrics published back on December 20th. Now look at this here. Selected crypto asset returns by month in 2022. And you see Tron is number 1. Tron, yes, TRX, Tron. And then you see other ones like, look, Ethereum Classic, Doge. Now SHIB is down here. So they didn't make the top 5, they were more than the top 20, okay? Not too far off. All right, see ADA in here, crypto.com, Luna way down, wow. But if you look by, let me see here, it's by month 2022. So I guess it's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so this is December, it's January. What was the best month? So Ethereum Classic was killing the game. And I believe this is January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Wow. Dogecoin, 89%. SHIB big month was, let's find out what SHIB is. SHIB was to 17%. That's pretty good. This was a good month. Look at all these percentages. Everybody was up on this list. 102% for CRV. So that month is March, April, May, June, July. So July was a pretty good month. Pretty good month for, and then you got March was a good month. But we had, look at all these declines since. Decline. We had a couple did okay. We haven't had really, whew, some of these months are really bad. But anyway, we're going to enter 2023 and we'll see what happens. But the Terra Luna token was the worst performing, doing slightly worse than FTX tokens. So they're really down here. Woo! I see a lot of red there. But it's by results. And basically, you see some of this stuff here, like Binance performed the best in July, and then the June and January, also the token recorded losses of 32% and 26%. So, but Dogecoin saw the returns 89% in October, its best month. So let's go look at this. So we got Doge 89, yeah, 89%. Wow. But look at Ethereum Classic and Matic. So this is the list here, CRV, and this is something to kind of do your research going forward. Like if these are performing well, like Dogecoin, and you also have Ethereum Classic, you got Matic, and you also have even Ethereum for an interesting deal, because they've had some decent months. So the best performing assets right here, the number 1 is Tron. So that was crazy. Ethereum Classic is on here, Dogecoin among others. So Bitcoin was not on the top 5 list. Let's see if they're on this list at all. Bitcoin is not even on this list. I don't even see Bitcoin. Yeah, it is. There you go. Bitcoin is on the list. So Bitcoin is on the list. They've had about 2, 3, 4, solid months. But we'll see what happens in 2023. That's the top performing list. performance by cryptocurrency by month, and Tron is the #1. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to subscribe to the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and comment. I'll see you in the next video.